Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.23 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. There are three parts in the question. We are going to start first part. Write the electronic configuration of the following ions. A is H minus ion, B Na plus ion, C O2 minus ion and D F minus ion. So friends, for doing this, we have to start with the normal element configuration and then we'll make it ion and then check what the changes are going on. So start with the A. So it is H minus, it means hydrogen ion. So first we'll check the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom's atomic number is 1. So it means there are one electron. So we can say hydrogen atom has only one electron. So its configuration should be 1s1. So when they are talking about H minus means gain of one electron. So we can write 1 plus 1 electron gain, that is 2. Now total electrons are 2. So configuration will be 1s2. The second electron also comes in the S subshell. Now same way we'll do the B. Sodium Na plus. So first we'll write about sodium. Sodium's atomic number is 11. So its configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now if the ion is Na plus 1 charge means loss of 1 electron. So we can write 11 minus 1. So the total electrons are not 10. Now we have to accommodate 10 electrons. So the configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. The last 3s1 electron, that is removed. So the 3s subshell also be removed. Come up to the C. So it is oxygen 2 minus. So first we write for oxygen. Oxygen's atomic number is 8. So configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. If the ion is O2 minus, then the configuration, first we'll write the electrons. So normal it is 8 electrons, 2 minus means gain of 2 electrons. So plus 2, that is 10. Now we'll write a configuration for 10 electrons. It should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next the D. It is fluorine atom. Fluorine's atom electrons are 9. Atomic number is 9. So the configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So if we are talking about F minus, it means gain of 1 electron. So 9 plus 1, it will be 10 electrons. Now the configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So friends, first part is clear. The configuration of the ions are, we'll add or we will remove the electron as depend on the sign plus or minus, and then we'll write the configuration. Now come up to the second part. Second part, what are the atomic numbers of elements whose outermost electrons are represented by? So it is, let's come to A part. It is 3s1. So for this 3s1, we need to write the full electronic configuration and then we'll count the number of electrons. So for this, we'll start from 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and then 3s1. This is the full configuration. Now count the number of electrons. So the number of electrons are 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. It means 11 electrons. So the atomic number it should be 11 because atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in that element. Now in the same way we'll solve the second part B. The configuration is given 2p3. To reach this configuration we need to write full configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now the configuration is finished. Now count the electrons. So number of electrons is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 3. So whatever is written here 1s2, 2 means that 2 electrons are given in 1s. Then 2s2 means in the 2s subshell 2 electrons are given, and 2p3 means in the 2p subshell 3 electrons are there. So we'll count the number of electrons like this. So the total is 7 electrons. So we can write atomic number of this element is 7. Clear? Come up to the C part. It is 3p5. Now writing the configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and then 3p5. Now again same thing, count the number of electrons. It should be 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. Total are 6, 10, 5, 15, 17. Total number of electrons are 17. So the atomic number of this element is 17. So friends, second part is also solved. Let's come to the third part. Third part is which atom are identified by the following configurations. A is, start with A, it is helium and 2s1. Now here there are two ways to solve this problem. First is, if we know the configuration of or number of electrons in helium, then we'll proceed. Or second thing, we will write the full electronic configuration as we did in the second part. So I will tell both the things. So for helium, the atomic number is 2, and in the 2s there is a number of electron is 1. So total number of electrons is 3. For 3 number of electron is 3, it means atomic number is 3, and atomic number is 3 is for lithium. Easiest way. The second type is we will write the full configuration. So we need to reach 2s1. So 1s2 then 2s1. Again same thing, number of electrons are 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So atomic number is equal to 3 and it is lithium. So these are the two ways to solve the same problem. Whichever is easy for you, you can proceed. Now come up to B part. B is neon and then 3s2, 3p3. So in the first kind of thing, neon is having, remember this, 10 electrons. 10 plus, now 3s having 2 electrons plus 3p having 3 electrons. So now total number of electrons are, we can write number of electrons is equal to 10 plus 3, 13, 15. Total number of electrons 15. So atomic number is also 15, and atomic number 15 shows phosphorus. Simple. So in the second way, if we are going to solve it, we will write the full configuration until 3p3. So write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3. From here we will write the number of electrons. It should be 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. It is total 15. So the atomic number is equal to 15 and the element should be in the periodic table 15th number is for phosphorus. Now come up to the C part. Same, we have two ways to solve this problem. I am telling both the ways, so it will be easy for you to learn. Now the next part is 4 organ, 4s2 and 3d1. So for organ, remember the atomic number is 18. Now फिर 18 plus 4s orbital subshell, it is 2 electron plus 3d, it is 1. So total number of electrons are 21. So the atomic number, it should be 21, and 21 stand for scandium in the periodic table. Second way to solve this problem is, we will write the full configuration. So we'll start from 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 4s2 and 3d1. This is the full configuration. So number of electrons, it should be 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1. So it should be total 10, 10, 20, 21. Same thing. So the atomic number is 21, and 21 stand for scandium in the periodic table. So there are two ways. I showed you all the two ways. Whatever is easy, you can go. Both are correct. So in this way, we are going to finish this question. If you like the video, please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.